Hello friend, it's Maya here from HilltopHut. How have you all been? It's been a while since last my update. Today I just want to share a short update about life up here on the mountain. It all began in July, and now at last, the power has reached my studio, my pottery studio. In July, I found a contractor who could handle the entire process of bringing electricity up to the mountain. The required papers were submitted, approvals were given, and the work began. Power posts were raised, cables connected, and the transformer installed. Many men worked tirelessly and skillfully. The inspector came twice, and after a few more days of waiting, the meter was finally installed. So yesterday, the last step was completed. The cables from the meter to my house were connected. The whole process took about 3 months. During those months, I often felt I was living in a limbo. Everything from my town studio was spread out and unsettled, waiting for this project to finish before it could find its proper place. This morning, as I turned on the lights and heard the quiet hum of electricity, I felt deeply thankful. After months of waiting, everything flows now. The convenience feels almost miraculous. I even ran my laundry machine 3 times last night, which felt surprisingly luxurious. I couldn't believe myself lived off-grid, relying on small solar panel for over 13 years. Can you believe it? I couldn't believe that I had the power, that I don't need to worry about saving the power. When I opened my kiln this morning, it felt so good. Though some of my glazing turns out to be well, some are not. I have been trying to capture the color of the forest. Now, after attempting so many times, it doesn't come out as I wish. Maybe I should stop with this idea, at least for now. From this point on, I will be spending much more time in the studio, preparing for the market in mid-November. Yeah, I have all the plans for that. But before that, I will take a short trip next week to visit the tea plantation in Sangay, a reminder that there is always something new growing alongside the work. Okay, so friends, ciao for now, and then in the next video I will share the visiting tea plantation with you. Okay, thanks for watching, and then hope to see you in next week.